smart grid is an electricity network that can intelligently integrate the action of all users, generation and consumer, and the role that is doing just now both that we call or we name prosumer, in order to efficiently deliver sustainable, economic, and secure electricity supplies. Okay, so the smart grid has come to describe an energy generation electrical power system that is typified by the increase of communication and information technology in the generation, in the transmission, distribution, and of course, consumption of electrical energy. So smart grid encompasses all the necessary technological infrastructure from energy generation, transmission, energy storage to energy consumption. It's very important around the topic of decarbonization of the energy sector. The decarbonization of the energy sector comes with a set of challenges. Okay, so the energy transition is linked with two main things. One is the increasing of penetration of renewable energies, and the second one is the increase of the electrification of the end-use sectors. So both of which are the key of the decarbonization and the achievement of the climate goals. If these two aspects are not well planned, however, large shares of renewable energies together with the rapid expansion of the electrification would affect to the reliability of the power system. The new business models, buildings no longer have to be passive consumers of energy, but can be active participants in the daily operations of the power grid, delivering significant cost and environmental savings. So building technologies just now are helping make buildings become smarter about the amount of timing of energy use and emissions. So the grid interactive efficient buildings that we call GEB works to remake buildings into clean and flexible energy resources by combining energy efficiency and demand flexibility, all together with smart technologies and communications. We have to begin with what the smart grid provides. Okay, so smart grid provides greater affordability, comfort, productivity, and performance to homes and buildings. That's us. So combining smart technologies and distributed energy resources with energy efficient buildings, these grid interactive buildings can provide comfort and convenience for building occupants, self-service to the power grid, cut cost and pollution, eliminate waste, and improve grid operations. Summarize, I think, in four main challenges. One is develop and accelerate deployment of these grid integration buildings technologies. The second one is enhancing the value of these grid integration buildings to consumers and utilities. That is very, very important. The third one is empowering these buildings, empowering these users, the installations and the operators, of course. And the fourth one is supporting development through European, national and local enabling programs and policies. Expose three possible solutions that could improve the integration of these buildings into the system. One is accelerate technology interoperability and improve access and use of data. This is important. The second one could be introduce incentives to deploy demand side resources. And the third one could be develop GB design and operation decision-making tools. We have to have tools to design and to operate these types of buildings. We have to integrate smart technology, and we have to do training in all programs to help the users to use this type of buildings. We have just now involved in two projects. One is an H2020 project. It's the Stardust project. This is in the field of smart cities project. In this case, energy efficient solutions in the form of ICT, renewable energy resources, unconventional techniques, and storage systems has been to introduce in all buildings and social housings. And the second one is a new one that the European Commission approved last year. It's the Open Lab. This is positive energy neighborhoods. Through this project, we have 3 open innovations labs in 3 countries. One is in Genk in Belgium, another one is in Pamplona here in Spain, and the last one is in Tartu in Estonia. So Open Lab will identify commercially viable solutions to achieve positive energy urban environments.